Before you give up on her, watch this. Before you give up on her, watch this. Most men give up too soon. They think the battle's lost before the war even begins. She's pulling away, acting distant, not responding like she used to. You feel it slipping, and you think it's over. But what if I told you this moment is your greatest opportunity? Because right now, she's watching. Not what you say, but what you do. This is where most men fail. They chase, they beg, they panic. And that's exactly what kills the attraction. But the men who win, they don't react, they don't chase, they don't lose control, they hold their ground. Let's talk about why she's really pulling away and how to use it to turn everything in your favor. 1. Why she's pulling away. It's not always another man. It's not always that she stopped caring. It's that she stopped feeling the chase. When she first met you, there was mystery, tension, excitement. But now, she knows everything. She knows you'll reply. She knows you'll show up. And when something becomes predictable, it loses value. So she pulls back. Not always consciously, but instinctively. She wants to see if you'll lose control. Most men do. They text more. They call more. They try to fix things. And in doing so, they destroy what little attraction remains. 2. The silent test. Every time she gets distant, she's testing something you can't see. She's watching to see how you respond to pressure. Will you panic? Will you beg for answers? Or will you remain calm, composed, unshaken? Because the moment you react emotionally, you fail the test. And the men who pass, they do something no one expects. They go silent. 3. The power of distance. Women don't fall in love with your presence. They fall in love with your absence. When you stop giving attention freely, when you become a little mysterious, something inside her shifts. She starts wondering, why isn't he texting? Did he lose interest? Is he seeing someone else? That's when she starts feeling your absence. That's when attraction reignites. So stop explaining yourself. Stop chasing. Match her energy and pull back. 4. When she reaches out again. Here's where most men destroy everything they've built. She goes quiet for a week, then sends, "Hey," and they jump at it like a dog chasing a bone. Big mistake. When she returns, act calm, controlled. Don't make her message the highlight of your day. Let her work for your attention again. Make her prove she's serious. Because respect doesn't come from what you give freely, it comes from what you make people earn. 5. If she never comes back. Not every woman will, and that's okay. If she leaves and never returns, she just revealed something important. She wasn't your person. She wasn't built for your path. You don't want a woman who stays only when you chase. You want one who stays because she respects your silence. 6. The power of silence. Silence is your weapon. It creates mystery. It flips emotional control. At first, she won't notice. Then days go by. Then weeks. No messages, no likes, no calls. And suddenly, she feels something she never expected. Your absence. Now, she's the one replaying memories. She's the one checking her phone. She's the one asking herself, did I lose him? And that's when you've won, not through games, but through control. 7. Why women notice you when you go silent. Women underestimate men. Until they stop chasing, they assume you'll always be there. Until one day, you're not. Your silence disrupts her entire psychology. She starts wondering what you're doing, who you're with, if you've moved on. And in that uncertainty, attraction is reborn. Now, you're not predictable, you're a mystery. And mystery is magnetic. 8. When she comes back. When she finally reaches out, stay grounded. Don't rush to reply. Don't drop everything. You've changed. You're not the same man she walked away from. Now, she has to earn your time again. If she proves it with effort, great. If she doesn't, walk away without a sound. Because silence will always be louder than begging. 9. The mindset shift. You don't win by chasing women. You win by becoming the kind of man women chase. The kind of man who doesn't need validation. The kind of man who values his peace more than attention. If she pulled away, good. It's your opportunity to grow, to rebuild your focus, your mission, your discipline. Let her feel your absence. Let your silence remind her of what she lost. Because when your silence becomes louder than her games, you've already won. Final words. So before you give up on her, don't. But don't chase either. Go silent. Level up. Build yourself until she realizes you weren't the one who lost her, she lost you. And when she finally understands that, it'll be too late. Subscribe for more videos on Stoicism, masculine control, and attraction psychology. Because the strongest men don't react, they remain silent and let the world adjust.